All right, tangent x is equal to 1. Tangent function has different characteristics as sine x and cosine x. The basic difference is that there's no minimum, there's no maximum value. The period of tangent x is pi radians. So every pi radians you do repeat either the value of the function or you repeat the location of vertical asymptote. So tangent x in our case is 1, so we're looking for the solution for that equation. So once again, we'll say, let me work with a horizontal line. Okay, the equation of that line must be 1. And every time you intersect with a graph of tangent x, you expect to produce solution of the equation. Okay. So the first available to us in the first quadrant, so this is between 0 and 2 pi. So the first root is at pi over 4. And again, sine x over cosine x. Cosine x is equal to tan x. So when I have identical value for sine and cosine, then the ratio for tangent would be 1. And this takes place when x is equal to pi over 4. Remember 45 degrees, the ratio for sine or cosine is equivalent. Simply recall a triangle, right angle triangle with 45 and 45. Okay, so this must be isosceles triangle, so those two sides are equal. Therefore, the ratio of sine or cosine generates the same value. Okay, so the first root number 1, x1, let's call it x1, is equal to pi over 4. Let me repeat. The next root will be pi radians away from the first one. So the second red dot, x2, will be found as pi over 4 plus pi. So this gives me 5 over 4 pi. All right. Values to the left. So you can also travel pi radians to the left. So this will be pi 4, number 3, pi 4, move pi radians away, so take away. So this will give you the value of, so pi over 4 minus 4 over 4, negative 3 over 4 pi. And one more, the last one. So from that value, subtract, so the last one, negative 3 over 4 minus pi, so x4 is equal to negative 3 over 4 pi, of course. So negative 3 minus 4, negative 7 over 4 pi. So now we have established 4 roots. You may ask why do we have always domain from negative 2 pi to 2 pi? It doesn't have to be that. Sometimes you have narrow down to negative pi to pi, 0 to 2 pi. You can have any variation, but you need to be aware how to find the basic roots. Once you know that, then regardless of the domain, you will be always to be able to do it successfully. What will be the general solution before we go? Quickly, the general solution, let's call it GS. So begin with the first root and simply add k pi, because the period of tangent function is k pi. So that will be my general solution for this equation. Thank you for watching this video, and I see you at another occasion when we'll be talking about function with multiple angles. Thank you.